Which one? Inverse trigonometric functions. Okay, we are going to do few more questions from inverse trigonometric functions. Okay, so let's do one case study questions. One case study question from inverse trigonometry. So this is a case study question given by the CBSE. Look at here. Two men on either side of a temple of 30 meters high observe its top of the angles of elevation alpha and beta respectively. Okay, so two persons are standing here. They observe it. The angle of elevation is given as alpha and beta. The distance between two men is 40 root 3 meters. And the distance of the first person A and the temple is 30 root 3 meters. Based on the above information, answer the following. Okay, so the question is given like this. Two men on either side of the temple of 30 meters high. Okay, I'll draw the figure here. Okay, actually it is, instead of looking into the figure, you can draw the figure like this. Okay, those two persons are standing and they observe. The height of the building is given as two men either side of the temple of 30 meters high. It is 30 meters high. And they observe this angle of elevation. Okay, one side the angle of elevation is alpha and the other side the angle of elevation is beta. Angle of elevation is alpha and angle of elevation is beta. And the distance between two men. And the distance between two men, it is given as 40 root 3 meters. The distance between two men means these two as a whole, if you take, it is 40 root 3 meters. And the temple is 30 root 3. And the distance between the first person A and is 30 root 3 meters. So this distance is given as 30 root 3. Okay. So this point is denoted as D. This is B. So what will be the distance DB? I think here B, not B. Here you mark it as C. Here they are marked it as D. Mark this as C. So what will be DC? What will be the length DC? What will be the length DC? Full length is 40 root 3, isn't it? Full length is 40 root 3. Therefore, it will be DC. And this length is 10 root 3. So DC, will it be 10 root 3? DC, will it be 10 root 3? Now look at the first part. Based on the above information, find the following. So did you draw the figure? Now from the figure, find out what is angle CAB. CAB means this angle alpha we have to find. Angle CAB. CAB will be same as the triangle. Okay, you can take the triangle DAC. In triangle DAC, DAB. Find out what is alpha. What will be the answer? It is given in terms of sine. Find out. You can use. Okay. So what are the options given here? For the first one, these are the options given. Okay, I'll redraw it once again here.
Ma'am,
Yes.
this one have you shared in the group?
Yes, now this one I have shared it earlier in the beginning, case study questions. Not now. Okay, what is angle CAB? CAB. And this angle is marked as alpha. This angle is marked as alpha. This is 30. And this length will be 30 root 3. So it is 10 root 3. So, and this angle is alpha, this is beta. Find out, find the answer. Everything is given in terms of sine, isn't it? So find out what is sine alpha. So it will be sine alpha. Okay, actually finding sine alpha is difficult, isn't it? Because we don't know the hypotenuse. So can you find out first tan alpha? Can you find out tan alpha? Why? If you take the triangle, suppose this is D. In triangle ADB, which are the sides known? Adjacent side and opposite side, is it given?
Yes, ma'am.
So we can take tan, isn't it? What will be tan alpha?
30 by 30.
Opposite by 30 by 30 root 3. So these two will get cancelled. So we'll get 1 by root 3. So what will be the value of alpha? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Is it correct? Alpha will be third. So if it is 30, alpha is 30. Therefore, what will be sine alpha? Sine 30, isn't it? What is the value of sine 30? 1 by 2. So we can write alpha is equal to, what will be the answer? Answer is? What is the answer, Aditya?
30.
So alpha is, how will you write? Sine alpha is sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. We have to write in terms of inverse functions. So alpha will be
Sine inverse 1/2.
sine inverse of 1 by 2. Sine inverse of 1 by 2. Again, in terms of cos, the same thing you have to find out in terms of cos. What will be cos alpha? What is cos alpha? Yes, Aryan, what is the answer? Cos alpha? Yes, what is the answer? And only three options you can see. What about the fourth one? Cos D, cos inverse of 4 by 5. What will be the answer? Yes, what is the answer? Aryan?
C.
C. Are you able to do this, children? Is it clear? Is it okay? Is it okay? Gayatri?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now look at the next one. Look at the next one. You are asked to find angle BCA. Find angle BCA, beta. We want to find beta. Okay, so again look into the figure. What is angle BCA? From the figure you find out what is BCA. BCA. Draw the figure. From the figure again find out what is BCA. This side is 10 root 3. This is 30. This is angle beta given. So it will be tan beta. Tan beta will be opposite by, isn't it? 30 by. So we'll get 3 by root 3, which is root 3. Tan beta is root 3. Therefore, what is beta? Beta is What is the answer? Michael? For the third one, answer is
C.
is it C or D? Is it C or D?
Oh, sorry, it's D.
It's D. Okay, when you go for the exam also check it and bubble it. Are you able to get this answer, Sania?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the next one is the next one. What is angle ABC? What is angle ABC? What will be the answer? Angle ABC. Look at the figure and check what is angle ABC. Angle B we need, isn't it? Angle B. A, B, C. Angle A, what is angle alpha? Alpha we got as 30, isn't it? Alpha is 30. Beta also? Beta as 60. Okay. So it will be angle B.
90.
Is it 90? Check it. Here, when you convert this, beta is 60. So 60 and 30. So angle ABC is, angle ABC will be, is it 90? Children, tell me. One side you get 60, one angle is 60, other one is 30. So the third angle, angle A, angle B will be 90. Is it correct, Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So the option is C. Now look at the next case, the domain and range of cos inverse of x. Domain and range of cos inverse of x. Domain and range of cos inverse of x. What is the answer? Yesterday only we discussed what is the domain and what about the range. For cos, it is from what is the domain? What is the minimum value it will take and what is the maximum value it will take? What domain? What is the minimum value of cos? Yes, can you hear me?
-1.
So it is closed or open?
Closed.
Closed -1 to 1. And what about the range?
Closed 0 to 5.
Closed 0 to 5. Okay. Is it okay? Okay. Now the next one. Go through the next question. So these are the questions given by the board. Okay. For case study questions. Read this one. Read this question. This case study questions already I have sent it to you. It is for all the chapters. It is not for the first term. It is not splitted like this. It is for all the chapters for the 12th standard as a whole. Okay. You take the printout and keep it with you. If you are not having today, once again after this class, I'll send it. Now look at this question. The government, one of you read this question. Sri Hari, read the question.
The government of India is planning to fix a hoarding board at the face of a building on the road of a busy market for awareness of COVID-19 protocol. Ram, Robert, Rahim are 3 engineers who are working on this project. A is considered to be a person viewing the hoarding board. 20 meters away from the building, standing at the edge of a pathway nearby. Ram, Robert, and Rahim suggested to the firm to place the hoarding board at 3 different locations, namely C, D, and E. C is at a height of 10 meters from ground level. For viewer A, the angle of elevation of D is double the angle of elevation of C. The angle of elevation of E is triple the angle of elevation of C for same viewer. Look at the figure given and based on the above information, answer the following.
Okay, this is the figure given. Now, look at the question. Measure of angle CAB is based on this figure. What is the measure of angle CAB? What is the answer? What is the measure of angle CAB? Yes, Rijas. CAB. Consider this triangle CAB. What you will find? Which are the sides known here? CAB means this angle you have to find. With respect to this angle, which of the sides are given? We are given with? Yes, Rijas. With respect to this angle, which are the sides given here? Yes, Nandana, tell me, Nandana.
BC and AB.
That means it is opposite side and
Adjacent.
adjacent. So opposite and adjacent means which trigonometric ratio we have to consider?
Tan.
Tan. Suppose this is theta. Okay. So tan theta will be same as opposite by 1 by adjacent. So it will be, okay, if you cancel this, this is 1 by 2. Therefore, what is theta? It is tan inverse of 1 by 2. Okay. Now look at the second one, angle DAB. We want to find angle DAB. What will be the measure of angle DAB? Okay. For that, once again, you have to read the paragraph given there. Because only this side is given, adjacent side is given. Okay, for that, what is the reason given here? What is the, okay, what is given? For the viewer A, the angle of elevation of B is double the angle of elevation of C. For the viewer A, the angle of elevation of B is double the angle of elevation of C. Okay, so if this is theta, for C, what will be the angle of elevation? It is given as 2 theta, isn't it? So this is given as 2 theta. It is double. Angle of elevation is given as double. Now what do you have to find? What is asked here? You are asked to find what is measure of angle DAB. What is the measure of angle DAB? What will be the answer? Yes. We got tan theta is 1 by 2. Is or no? Which is tan theta is 1 by 2. We want to find double of this. That means is it tan 2 theta? What is the formula we know for tan 2a in terms of tan? What is tan 2a in terms of tan? Atul? Atul? Tan 2
tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta.
Yes, 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So substitute the values there. 2 into, what is tan theta? 1 by 2 by 1 minus tan square theta. 1 minus 1 by 4. So simplify and tell me what is the answer. Is it clear, children? Look at here, we use the formula. Okay, this is, okay, we use the formula, what you have learned in 11th standard. That is why I insist, make it thorough with all the formulas you have learned in trigonometry. Find out what is the answer. What will be the angle? DAB. Emmanuel, is it okay? Emmanuel.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
So here 2 will get cancelled. If you take the LCM, 4 minus 1. So we get 1 by 3 by 4, which will be same as 4 by 3. So what is with theta? 2 theta will be tan inverse of 4 by 3. Second one, it will be tan inverse of 4 by 3. Okay. Now look at the third one. Third one is, you are asked to find the measure of angle EAB. You are asked to find the measure of angle EAB. So once again, look at the beginning. What is given about the angle E? Okay, what is given about this angle E? What is given? The angle of elevation of E is, the angle of elevation of E is triple the angle of elevation of C for the same viewer. Okay, it is given as triple. So this angle is theta, means this one you are getting 2 theta. So this is 3 theta. Okay, it is triple 3 theta. So multiple angles formula and all you have to use. We'll be using the multiple angles formula 3 theta. So angle is 3 theta. So what is measure of angle EAB? So you have to find out tan 3 theta. We know what is tan theta. So what is tan 3 theta? What is the formula we have learned? Tan 3 theta is equal to, tan 3 theta is equal to, what is the formula? Now read. Tan 3A is equal to
3 tan A minus tan cube A by 1 minus 3 tan square A.
3 tan A minus tan cube A by 1 minus 3 tan square A. So tan theta is already known. Substitute it, simplify and find the answer. Substitute this and simplify and find the answer. So Alvin Benny present? Alvin? Alvin is present?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Alvin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So give the answer, Alvin. How to solve this? Apply the value and give the answer. What is the answer? Tan theta is 1 by 2, isn't it? Yes. What is the answer? Make it fast, children. 3 by 2. Is or no? Minus 1 by. Yes.
Tan inverse of 11 by 2.
11 by 2. Is it correct? Alvin? Alvin is present? No. One second, I'll mark the attendance. Others, you checked it. What is the answer here? Is it tan inverse of 11 by 2? Okay. Now look at the next one. If A dash is another viewer, standing on the same line of observation across the road, and if the width of the road is 5 meters, then the difference between angle CAB and CA dash B. We want to find CAB and CA dash B. So look at the figure CAB. CAB is, we got that as tan theta is 1 by 2. Now we want to find what is CA dash B. Suppose this angle we denote it as theta 1. Okay, suppose this is theta 1. So it will be tan theta 1. What will be tan theta 1? Opposite side is 10, isn't it? Is or no? And what about the adjacent side? It is 25. Therefore, what you will get? What is tan theta 1? What is tan theta 1? Tan theta, already we got that as 1 by 2. So tan theta 1 will be, tan theta 1 is, what is the formula we have learned? What is tan theta 1? Opposite by, so it is 10 by 25. So it is 2 by 5. And what is asked? We are asked to find the difference between the angles. You are asked to find the difference between the angles. So what you can do? Okay, you can take this as either tan of theta minus theta 1 or theta 1 minus theta 2. What is tan of A minus B? What do you know about tan of A minus B? What is tan of A minus B? Tan of A minus B is tan A minus tan B. What is the formula we have learned? 1 plus tan A tan B, isn't it? Now from the figure, can you compare which one will be bigger, whether theta 1 or theta? Okay, yeah, look at here. Is it whether we have to do theta 1 minus theta or theta minus theta 1? Which is bigger? Is it theta bigger or theta 1 is bigger? You are learning this in trigonometry. As we move away from, far away from the object, what happens to the angle of elevation? Look at the figure out. From this figure, you can check. This is the angle theta, and look at this part. Increases. Which one will be bigger? Yes, Achyut. Yes. Imagine you are standing there. Okay, you are standing in front of an image. From far away, you are observing it. Again, you are coming closer and you are observing it. What happens to their neck angle? You imagine. In which case you will stretch more? Which case you will be getting more angle? When we come closer or when we move far away? Yes, Rijas. So whether we have to find theta minus theta 1 or theta 1 minus theta 2. What is the thing you have to find here? Is it theta minus theta 1 or
Theta minus theta.
yes. Okay, as we are coming closer to the object angle, okay. So it is same as theta minus theta 1. Now write the formula. It is same as tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Apply the values. Tan theta, it is 1 by 2 minus 2 by 5 by 1 plus 1 by 2 into 2 by 5. Now simplify this. Now simplify and find out what is tan of theta minus theta 1. What is tan of theta minus theta 1? What is the answer? What is the answer? Yes? What is the option you will get? Atul? Yes, what is the answer? Srihari? On simplifying, what do you get? What do you get here? Yes, on simplifying, what is the answer? Make it fast. What is the answer? Achut.
I confirm my answer is option.
What is the answer you got? First you give that one. After that we can check what is the mistake. Why we are not getting?
Good 1 by 12.
1 by
12.
12. But look at the option given there. What is the answer given? A, B, C, D. Okay, now answer the fifth one. What is the domain and range of tan inverse of x? Fifth one is the direct formula, isn't it? What is the domain and range of tan inverse of x? Domain is R, isn't it? Look at the option given here. It is tan inverse of 1 by 8 for the fourth one. You get 1 by 12. Which, okay, what went wrong here? What went wrong here? Look at the question given here. What is asked? Look at the question. This angle of elevation. Okay, one more second. This is the situation given here. Okay, A is considered to be a person being 20 meters away from the building, standing at the edge of the path nearby. Okay, C, D, E are the three positions. C is the height 10 meters from the ground level. For the viewer A, the angle of elevation D is double the angle of C. And for the angle of elevation E is triple of the same viewer. Now look at the figure. Based on the figure, you are answering it. Okay. Now what is the second part? Which one? Where is it? A dash is a viewer, another viewer standing on the same line of observation across the road. If the width of the road is 5 meters, then the difference between the angles is, whether we applied the correct formula. If I take tan theta 1 minus theta 2, will you be getting the answer? If it is, okay, we are not getting the option here. Okay, 1 second. Okay, that one we will be discussing. Okay, next period we will discuss that one. And by today we'll end this topic inverse trigonometry. From tomorrow onwards, we'll be discussing matrices. Okay.